that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
What do you see? The cult of personality. I know your anger. I know your dreams. I've been everything you wanna be. Oh, I'm the cult of personality. Like Mussolini and Kennedy. I'm the cult of personality.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Hello, I'm Cristiano Ronaldo.